Welcome to the presentation by Group A on the topic of understanding the challenges about working in a cross-functional and cross-cultural airline using Hofstede cultural dimensions.
Cross-cultural team challenges. 1. Communication barriers. 2. Time. Communication barriers. Effective communication can become a challenge due to a group with inclination towards and low cultures. A combination of direct, efficient talkers and diplomatic speakers can be a reason in break of flow communication. And in time, a combination of monochronic and polychronic cultures find it different to fit in. Monochronic cultures emphasize the value of being prompt no matter what, whereas polychronic cultures value prompts differently depending on the relation with whoever they are meeting and they are comfortable after plans to challenging the situation or changing the situation. For example, I'll be there in 5 minutes. That doesn't mean the same everywhere. Yeah.
Cross-cultural team challenges power. Culture that promote equal beliefs where everyone is seen as equal in authority often face challenges when working with hierarchical cultures which emphasizes clear levels of authority. Some Asian cultures believe in the boss having authority whereas many Western cultures believes equal authority. Another one is collectivity. There are significant difference between group-focused cultures and individual-focused cultures. Group-oriented cultures tend to be a more patient in decision-making and prioritize building relationships, while individual cultures focus on quick decision and achieving goals. Some cultures put group harmony above personal concerns, whereas others prioritize individual goals.
In Hofstede's cultural dimension theory, the first one is power distance. This dimension examines the extent to which a society accepts or tolerates unequal distribution of power, and the second one is individualism versus collectivism. This dimension explores the degree to which individuals are integrated into groups, and the third one is uncertainty avoidance. This dimension examines how a society deals with uncertainty and ambiguity, and the fourth one is masculinity versus femininity. This dimension focuses on the distribution of roles between genders and values associated with those roles. And the fifth one of the theory is long-term versus short-term orientation. So this dimension examines a society's focus on the future versus the present, and the last one is indulgence versus restraint. So this dimension explores the extent to which a society allows gratification of basic human desires.
Let's look at how power distance varies across four countries. Bulgaria and Nepal score high on power distance 70 and 65 respectively, showing a strong acceptance of hierarchy. In this culture, centralized decision making is common, and employees often expect clear instruction from leaders. France also scores high at 68. It's society where inequality is accepted and power is centralized. Now Denmark stands out with a just of 18. It's a low power distance country where independence and equality are valued. Danish workplaces are informal, decentralized, and focus on the employee autonomy. Thank you.
To manage approach using hotspot culture dimension, firstly we need to get proper idea of our culture bank, clarifying expectation from them according to their culture context, and use a structured model of leadership for high power distance cultures, and promote collaboration for low proper distance cultures. We have to also understood about the communication and that precise and structured for uncertainty avoidance cultures, and have room for feedback, developing and communicating short-term goals and milestones that align with long-term missions and vision. And lastly, goals should be challenging and performance should highlighted all the while promoting work-life balance. Thank you.
To summarize it all, the Hofstede cultural dimensions has helped us know what various behaviors being influenced by values for people from various cultures so that we can know them better and we can manage them better, as people from various cultures and functions bring a variety of experience and expertise which can be used to foster good quality of work as well as innovation. The leadership now needs to be very inclusive in shaping the company culture towards attaining the company's long-term vision as well as short-term goals. And the company culture should be built around the people in the company that highlights their strengths and minimizes their weaknesses. Thank you.